Hi, lovers of realistic miniatures. In today's episode, there are a lot of cool new products: cosmetics, handbags, stationery, a guitar, and even a car. Let's see how it's done. We assemble a silver car body from the blanks of thin foam and foam paper. We attach a stylish transparent steering wheel and install a high roof with a windshield. We carefully cut out the circle's wheels. We increase the thickness of the wheel and add a metal middle. We attach the wheels to the body. We install mirrors, headlights, and the car number. LOL dolls are already driving miniature cars. Let's go! We insert two yellow tubes, one into the other, and make a bottom. We align the edges. In the same way we make the bottom for a transparent tube. We insert a ball of plasticine into a yellow case and close it with a lid. The doll's lipstick is done! Of 3 colors, Barbie chose the pink one. Isn't it beautiful? We assemble a guitar from 3 parts made of foam paper and add a 4th. The top 2 have holes. We make a neck and evenly mark the frets on it. We collect the head of the neck from foam paper and beads. We fix everything on the guitar body. We pull the silver strings from a thin wire and fasten them with pearls. Do you like the guitar? Very realistic. Listen to those beautiful sounds. We slightly fasten a piece of the tube and make a bottom with a drop. We glue the lid to it and form an elongated droplet spout from above. We cover the entire bottle with white varnish. The tip is red. We add labels. The miniature glue is done. Barbie sticks a photo of Elsa and Anna in a notebook. We remove the protective film from the sticker and attach a narrow strip of felt and 2 mini leaves. One sticker with Disney princesses makes 4 separate pictures. We laminate them with a film, add hole perforations, and fold them with a harmonic. We assemble a pink box and put a Barbie patch in it. We tear off one picture, remove the protective layer, and glue Barbie on the handle. Beautiful! We will need markers and pieces of thick straws. We disassemble the markers. We take out the colored rods, measure their length, and cut them off. We make the bottoms of hot glue. We insert the tip of the felt tip pin into the new case and fix it in a circle with glue. We cut off a tube of a large diameter, make a bottom, and cut off the excess. This is the lid. Miniature markers are done! We put a multicolored set in a beautiful package. Let's check how it's written. We make the inscription, "Hi." What shall we make of light foam rubber? Shoes! We circle the doll's foot. We carefully cut out along the contour, trim, and round the corners. We put the leg on the finished platform and lubricate the sidewall with glue. We put a beautiful fabric on top and press it well. We cut off the excess. Barbie tries on wonderful clogs. Super! We cover oval blisters with a colorless varnish. We generously sprinkle everything with sequins of different shapes and sizes. We dust it thickly with sequins. We carefully cut out along the contour. We connect the halves of the purse with tape and place a clasp made of beads. We attach a sparkling strap and a sticker with a princess. Barbie is happy! She dreamed of such a purse. We cut off the tips of the ampules of a suitable size, try them on, and paint them with pink varnish. We cover pictures of LOL dolls with a thick layer of glue for costume jewelry. After drying the film, we carefully cut out the figures exactly along the contour. We prepare labels and inserts. We put the doll in bright capsules, close it, and seal it with a sticker. Let's see what's inside. Miniature stickers and LOL paper dolls. We got realistic sets. Can we start the game? LOL dolls are very happy. They take the novelties home. We paste a shiny fabric on the zipper and cut it out along the contour. We attach the sidewall of the purse. We glue the workpiece to the leather strip belt. We cut out the waist bag and put on 2 loops. We fasten the belt and check the zipper. Great! We put a fashion handbag on Barbie. We cut off a part of the package with a zipper. We cover the bottom of the bag with paper and seal it with hot tongs. We decorate it with stickers with cute pandas. We attach a ball chain to the clasp. We fill a wonderful doll's makeup bag in.